Hey, I'm Rich Marcaccio, founder of Revibe, and I'm here with Emily West, our operations specialist.
Hey guys.
You may actually talk to Emily when you call in if you have any questions, so we wanted to get her and I here together to show you guys some tips on using Revibe. Let's go ahead and unbox it and show you some of the commonly asked questions that we do get. First question we get is, how do you actually take it in and out of the wristband? Pretty simple, pops out. The same side that our charging port is on right here, whatever side hole that is on, is the same side that these holes go on.
A lot of people have been wondering, am I going to break this band if I pull too hard? The answer is no. It's very strong. We've done lots of vigorous testing, so no worries there.
The right way to wear a Revibe is pretty simple. Wear it so that it's comfortable. It doesn't have to be very tight to transmit vibrations to your wrist. Simply put it on, same as a watch band. We do recommend wearing it on your dominant hand. And it should just be snug and comfortable.
One quick tip for wearing your Revibe is to check and see how it looks. If you see a little bit of space between the hardware piece and the band, you have it on a little bit too tight. Check out how Rich has his on. No space, snug, but not too tight. So he's got it on just right.
We're going to talk about tapping for a few minutes. We want to share with you exactly how tapping works. When you're in adaptive mode, which we highly recommend taking advantage of, it's going to ask you to go ahead and tap to provide some input. So you have a screen prompt that goes along with the vibration, and it'll remind you that 2 taps means yes, you're on task, or just 1 tap means that you're off task. It's also important to wait until Revibe is done vibrating and wait till the screen prompt comes up before you tap, where it won't take your input.
When tapping, we recommend that you tap pretty firmly on the screen if you can, with the pad of your finger, just so it's a little bit quieter, and not with your fingernail, just because it can be loud and distracting to others.
Yeah, and you can pretty much tap anywhere you like on Revibe, but it is the easiest to tap on the hard part of the screen rather than the soft part of the band.
Yeah, so we recommend syncing your Revibe at least once a day just to make sure that all of your data transfers over into the app. And when syncing, when possible, we recommend using Wi-Fi over your cellular data just because it's a lot faster and more reliable.
And data rates could apply.
And if possible, while syncing your Revibe, try not to have any other apps open other than the Revibe Connect app, just to help ensure that it's going to go as quickly and smoothly as possible.
The Revibe can hold up to 2 full days of data, but then it takes longer to sync. So you can cut your syncing time in half by just syncing more frequently. As Emily said, once per day is a very good number. Also, if your Revibe happens to run out of battery and it completely shuts down, you do need to charge your Revibe up and then sync it before sending someone out the door with their Revibe. What happens if you don't is you could actually miss data because it won't know what time it is or what year it is. So it only gets the time and the date from syncing. So if the battery runs down, it won't know where you are. So always sync after the battery dies. So that wraps up our quick tech tips. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via email, chat, phone. We're here for you guys. We want to support our users. Thanks for taking the time to view this, and we will look forward to speaking with you guys soon.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.